today. My name is PV2 Watkins. I'm a 91 Delta, which is a tactical power generation specialist, also known as a generator. Today we will be going over how to properly run and start a generator. This is a 10 kW generator, 10 kilowatts W. It's a TQG, which is a tactical quiet generator. We have certain outputs on here. The outputs could range from 120 to 208 volts and 120 and 240 volts. You have three different. Oh, fuck. Over it. Right. Okay, so we have three different types of phases in here. We have the 120 volt phase, the 120 and slash 240 volt phase, and we have the 120 and the 208 volts for phase. Okay, so if you're in the field, make sure you have it on a three-phase field. This puts out the most power inside of the field. So I'm gonna start the procedure on how to start and run this generator properly. So here we have the dead crank switch right here. It has crank, off, and normal. You switch the dead crank switch to off to normal. So you hit this off to normal. To make sure the battery isn't dead, you just crank it. So off to normal. Then you come over here to the control panel. You get the control board. You pull it down. It was originally like this. So you pull this down, unscrew the screws, and come here. This is right here is a circuit breaker. You push this, they're gonna kick the power inside of the generator. You come here, close that up, turn the prime and run, aux fuel. Then you go to prime run, then you start it, hold it for 3 to 5 seconds. Make sure you check the panel lights. Make sure you get the panel lights. To make the panel lights brighter, just flick it a few times. You won't see none because obviously it's sunny, so you turn that back off. So you gotta check out the AC interrupter, make sure the power going inside there. Open and close the circuit. It's a basic power down procedure. All you have to do is this. Just reset everything you did. So you hit the off switch. You come back and pull that circuit breaker right back out. Come over here. First you did off to normal, now you do normal to off. And you close the hatchet. Right here we have a switch box. So when the generator is running, the circuit interrupter that we just closed and opened, once the circuit interrupter is closed, then all the power from the generator will transfer itself to this box right here. And then, like you see it, the switch for the AC interrupter, this is the AC interrupter as well. So you open it, it's open right now, so you close it so the power can distribute inside of the leads. So you got the L1, which is your hot, your L2, it really don't do that much, and your L3 don't do that much either. But you got your neutral and your ground. So your ground gonna always be the green, your neutral always gonna be the white, and your L1's gonna be the black because it's hot. That's for anything. So, okay, so that's the end of this class for today. I hope you learned something. If you don't, leave it in the comment sections below if I could change anything.